What is the message of Islam? What was the message which the Holy Prophet ﷺ brought? My efforts in this field have brought me to the conclusion that every teaching which the Holy Prophet ﷺ gave was absolutely unique and stands up to this day as absolutely unique. In spite of the fact that the Holy Quran says, "Inna hadha lafi as-suhuf al-ula, suhuf Ibrahim wa Musa," but the suhuf of Ibrahim and Musa are not there in the world. There are those fundamental teachings which have been given in the Quran. They were given there, of course, and that is the principle of continuity of divine guidance on which Islam stands. But when you compare the teachings of the Quran, the targets and the ideals which the Quran has set for mankind, the outlook which the Quran has given on this worldliness and the other worldliness, the unique pattern of life which the Quran has evolved in connection with the individual and society. The very concept of what is religion, is unique in Islam. Absolutely unique. For instance, about religion, the Holy Quran defines it in this manner. وَلَهُ أَسْلَمَ مَنْ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ طَوْعًا وَكَرْهًا وَإِلَيْهِ يُرْجَعُونَ. It is proclaiming here that the entire universe and everything that is there in this universe is Muslim. Is Muslim. Because Muslim means one who submits himself to the will of God and functions and behaves entirely in submission to the will of God. That is the connotation of the term Muslim. So the Quran says, وَلَهُ أَسْلَمَ مَنْ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. All that is in the heavens and the earth, everyone who is there, and everything that is there is Muslim. And on this universal basis, the Quran demands that the human being who has been given free will, while these other things have not been given free will, the human being has been put to test to employ his free will and by his free choice to behave as Muslim. هُوَ الَّذِي خَلَقَكُمْ فَمِنْكُمْ كَافِرٌ وَمِنْكُمْ مُؤْمِنٌ. This trust or this obligation has been placed on the human being because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made him the highest in his creation, has made him his Khalifa. He has to perform certain functions in that capacity of being Khalifatullah fil ard, as the vicegerent of God on the earth. I'll not take up this theme here. On some other occasion, what is meant by the Khalifa. There are confusions in the minds of Muslims on this point again. But about what is religion, the Holy Quran's definition is absolutely different from any that had been given by Christianity or Judaism or any other religion, pre-Islamic or post-Islamic. It is فَأَقِمْ وَجْهَكَ لِلدِّينِ حَنِيفًا. So set thy face upright for ad-deen, the way of life, single-mindedly, with single-minded devotion, Hanifa, with single-minded loyalty. فِطْرَةَ اللَّهِ الَّتِي فَطَرَ النَّاسَ عَلَيْهَا. According to the nature on which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created man, has created all human beings the nature which is common to all human beings, or the basic natural laws which are common to all human beings, obedience to that law is deen. La tabdeela li khalqillah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's universal laws never change. So the human nature has been there the same from the time of Adam up to this time, and will always be what it was and what it is up to the day of Qiyamah. That is the implication of saying La tabdeela li khalqillah. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, ذَلِكَ الدِّينُ الْقَيِّمُ. This is the stable religion. This is ad-deen, truly and surely. This is ad-deen. ذَلِكَ الدِّينُ الْقَيِّمُ. وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَ النَّاسِ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. But most human beings do not understand this thing, that religion or religious life is to lead one's life according to those natural laws on which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created the human beings and the environment in which the human beings live. This concept was not given by Christianity, by any other philosophy. It was never given. But the Quran came with this concept.